Welcome Pisces to my channel Tarot Queen 777. Let's check your cards for relationship and career for the month of June 2025. Let's first pick for relationships. So we'll be picking cards for the past, present and future. Let's see, you have Judgment. In the past, you have Temperance in the past. You have Queen of Cups in the past. You have Hermit in the present. You have King of Swords in the present. You have Ace of Wands in the present. You have Ten of Swords in the future. You have Queen of Pentacles in the future. And you have Wheel of Fortune in the future. Let's see what you have in the outcome position. You have Nine of Wands, and in the shadow you have Six of Wands. So let's just analyze the card. Six of Wands in the shadow shows that you're celebrating high on the successes of life, and even if you are feeling a period of stagnation, you are definitely making strides towards your future, towards a better future for yourself and a better self. So let's check analyze the cards. You have Judgment, Temperance and Queen of Cups in the past. So definitely there is a hand from above guiding you guiding your heart in your relationship. Your heart is probably set on someone as shown by the Queen of Cups, and this person probably admires you, probably feels a lot of deep emotions for you, and you come from a place of stability, like you found your grounding, you found your stability in this relationship. In the present, you have the Hermit looking away from the King of Swords. So your inner voice is not according with your practical concerns about the relationship. You are kind of hell-bent on being with this person, even though practically it may not be possible. The Ace of Wands in the present shows that there is a deep commitment to this person, and this person is probably a very creative person. In the future, you have the Ten of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles and the Wheel of Fortune. The Ten of Swords shows a period of disappointment in the future in June 2025 as far as your romantic life is concerned. But that does not mean that the other aspects of your life will not play out well. In fact, if the other aspects of your life play out well, as the Wheel of Fortune shows, then things will look good. The Nine of Wands in the outcome position shows that there is a need to let your guard down and really, play the field. Let's see what justifies this card. You've got the Emperor. So there's a need to take control of the situation, kind of, be more assertive, be more forgiving at the same time, but at the same time gain some kind of authority in the situation, kind of find yourself in the situation. Now let's check the cards for career for Pisces for June 2025. Queen of Wands, Eight of Cups, Lovers, Fool, Two of Cups, Four of Wands, Knight of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, the Star, and in the outcome position you have the Seven of Pentacles, and in the shadow you have Temperance. You are very balanced right now. You're assessing your career from a very balanced, collected frame of mind. Your cards, let's analyze the cards. In the past, you have the Queen of Wands, the Eight of Cups and the Lovers. So the Queen of Wands shows that this is a period of creativity, but things may not go just the way you want them to go. As shown by the Eight of Cups, there may be a walking away from other opportunities to choose a particular kind of opportunity. Lover shows there'll be a great commitment to your career, to your growth in your job and your career. In the present, you have the Fool, the Two of Cups, and the Four of Wands. Good times and the offing. Again, the Two of Cups shows a deep commitment to your work. In the future, you have the Knight of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Star. All your hopes will be realized, all your wishes will be answered, all your prayers will be answered. And the Seven of Pentacles shows that there's a need to work hard in your career, Pisces, in June 2025. So keep going. Things are looking good for you, Pisces, in June 2025. If you want to interact with me, you can leave a comment in the comment box. If you want a more personalized reading, consider looking up my details in the description box. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, Pisces, with your other Piscean friends or with other people who you bond with. Thank you so much. Have a blessed June 2025. Thank you so much, Pisces. Thank you. Have a great June 2025.